Hi friends, in the today's session we will discuss even and odd signals, numericals on that. So let us take first problem. Find the even and odd components of the signal, where the signal is given x of t equal to 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 9t to the power 4. So in order to find the even component and odd component from the given signal, first we have to write the condition for even and the condition for odd. So first I will write the condition for even is x of et is equal to 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. This is the condition for a signal is said to be even. Similarly, I will write the condition for odd. X naught of t is equal to 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, these two equations will tell us, by using this equation, this part xe of t, we can calculate how much even component is present in the given signal. By using this equation we can calculate how much odd component is present in the given signal. So by observing these two formulas, we can observe here x of t is present. Okay, fine. Here second part, x of minus t. In the both equations, even component and odd component equations, x of t is present, x of minus t is also present. So first x of t, this one I will write it as equation number 1. Now as per these two equations, even component, odd component, we have to get x of minus t. So for that, what I am doing here, simple thing, that is replacing t by minus t in the equation number 1. So then I will get x of minus t. So wherever t is there in equation 1, replace it by minus t. So the equation 1 becomes x of minus t is equal to 1 minus t plus 3 minus t whole square plus 5 minus t whole cube plus 9 minus t to the power 4. So for the simplification, x of minus t is equal to 1 as it is minus t, then minus t square means it becomes plus, so that is plus 3t square. Next minus t cube means it becomes minus t cube, so this becomes minus t cube. So minus t to the power 4, so it becomes plus, hence it is 9 to the power t to the 9 into t to the power 4. So let us represent it as a equation number 1. So let us substitute x of t and x of minus t, nothing but equation 1 and 2 in even component equation. Then that becomes xe of t is equal to, so adding these two things, as for this formula we can say that, sorry, this is plus, this is plus. Okay, so observe the even component, xe of t equal to x of t plus x of minus t is there. So we have to add these two things, then divided by 2. So what happens, 1 plus 1, it becomes 1 by 2. I will here write x of t plus x of minus t, hence 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. T plus t minus t get cancels. 3t square plus 3t square, it becomes 6t square. Next plus 5t cube minus 5t cube get cancels, plus 9 multiplied by t to the power 4, here also plus is there, 9t to the power 4 is there, so it becomes 18t to the power 4. So for the simplification, divide by 2 is there, hence xe of t is equal to 2 divided by 2, it is 1, plus 6 by 2, it is 3t square, then 18 by 2, it is 9t to the power 4. So this much of even component is present in the given signal. So let us represent as a equation number 3. xe of t, equation 3 tells us that even component of the given signal. Similarly, we will calculate odd component. So what is the formula for odd component? X naught of t equal to 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t, nothing but from equation 1 we have to subtract equation 2, then that becomes x naught of t equal to 1 by 2 as it is, I will write outside, x of t minus of x of minus t is there. So let us perform this operation. Hence x naught of t equal to 1 by 2 as it is, I will write, then 1 minus 1, that is 0, t plus t, here minus of minus it becomes plus, t plus t, it is 2 2t. Next 3t square minus 3t square, it becomes 0. Next 5t cube minus of 5t cube, minus into minus it becomes plus, hence it is 10t cube, plus 9t to the power 4 is there, minus 9 into t to the power 4, it becomes 0. So further simplification, x naught of t equal to 0 by 2 0, next 2t by 2, that is t, plus 10 by 2, it is 5t cube. Hence this will give the odd component of the given signal. So let us represent equation number 4. So what we calculated, from the given signal we calculated even component, and from the given signal we calculated odd component. Thank you.